unboxing the X-Men Tornado V2. So here is the Rubik's Cube. So here's the front X-Men design. And then here's his Tornado V2. And here's the cube. Let's open it. So here's the box again. So here's the top. Here, and here's the inside. So here's the cube itself. Let's first look at the accessories. So we get an X-Men Tornado V2 card here. So we get this claw thingy. Yeah. We get some stuff, instructions. So here's the customization thing. So there's so many ways to customize your Rubik's Cube. And here is a super cool looking bag. And this is a tool to customize it. And that's pretty much it. Now just open the cube. So here's the Thanks for watching my unboxing. Like and subscribe. Peace.